I've spent a good amount of time studying people and how to get people from, where they are now to where they want to be. And I found that most of them know what they need to change. Most of them know actions they need to take. They might not know all of them, but they know a good amount of them. But see, the difference between getting from point A to point B is not knowing what to do, it's doing what you know. And that's where a lot of people fall short. And a lot of people, they know what to do in the same sense of, if you called me and said, how do I make a chocolate cake? And I go, well, just get some eggs, get some flour, get some milk, you need an oven, you need some heat. They have all these ingredients, they just don't have an order. So they've got a lot of little tidbits here, little tidbits there, but they don't have the order to put them in to be able to really make a difference in their life. How do you go from knowing what you need to do to actually doing it? That's the challenge that many of us face in life. And what this program does is get you from just knowing to doing. And then you learn more, so you know more, and we help you do more. And that's how we slowly change someone's life. And when I say slowly, some people do it overnight. There are people who come to our classes that are changed instantly. And they start taking drastic actions after the first class that we do. There's other people who implement it slowly and they start making progress little by little. The important thing is that the people who join us make the progress they're looking for. And that's what we do. We help you make the progress in your life that you're looking for.